How to upload video to your Facebook profile page and make it private. So let's begin the video. First, let's go to the profile page. And in the profile page, click here. And in the pop-up window, type in an appropriate title. And next, click this photo and video icon. From your computer, you need to select the video and upload it. Next, select this button below the profile name, which says Public. By default, when shared, everyone can view it. And from these options, to make it absolute private, only you can watch, select Only Me. To save and update, click Done. And again click the Post tab on this screen. And done, no one, except you, will be able to view the video you uploaded in Facebook profile. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.